Imagine owning a piece of your favorite video game. Sounds wild, right? Well, welcome to the world of tokenomics. Today, we're diving into how digital tokens are quite literally changing the game. And trust me, it's not just for tech geeks. This affects anyone who's ever enjoyed a good game. So, what exactly is tokenomics? Think of it like the rules of a board game, but for the digital world. It's all about how digital tokens work in a project or game. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this just like Monopoly money for video games? Close. But here's the kicker. Unlike Monopoly money, these tokens can have real-world value. They're like special tickets that let you do things in the game world, and sometimes even outside of it. But why should you care? Well, tokenomics can make games more fun and fair. Imagine having a say in how your favorite game develops. Cool, right? Let's make this real with some numbers. Imagine we're creating a new game called CryptoQuest, an adventure game where players truly own their in-game items. In CryptoQuest, we have a token called QuestCoin. Here's how our tokenomics model looks. First is total supply. We're starting with a total supply of 1 billion QuestCoins. Secondly, distribution. 50% or 500 million reserved for player rewards and in-game economy, 20% or 200 million for the development team, vested over 4 years, 15% or 150 million. For investors, also vested, 10% or 100 million for a community treasury, and 5% or 50 million for marketing and partnerships. Next, player rewards. Completing a quest might earn you 10 QuestCoins. Winning a battle could net you 50 QuestCoins, and helping a newbie complete their first quest could earn you 5 QuestCoins. For in-game economy, a rare sword might cost 1,000 QuestCoins, or upgrading your character's skills will be 500 QuestCoins. For governance, holding 10,000 QuestCoins gives you 1 vote in game decisions, and proposing a new feature requires staking 100,000 QuestCoins. Now here's where it gets interesting. We're implementing a dynamic supply model. If our player base grows beyond 1 million active users, we'll increase the supply by 10% annually, distributed primarily to the player rewards pool. This ensures that as our economy grows, there are always enough QuestCoins in circulation. This model creates a vibrant, player-driven economy. It rewards engagement, encourages long-term investment in the game, and gives players real ownership. It's not just about playing anymore. It's about being part of a living, breathing economic ecosystem. So, we're doing something revolutionary. The number of QuestCoins will change based on how many people are playing. This means that as the player population fluctuates, so does the game's economic ecosystem. Now let's talk about how we give out these QuestCoins. Fairness is key here. We're making sure it's not just the game makers getting all the coins. Players get a big chunk too. But how do players get these QuestCoins? Lots of ways. They can complete quests, win battles, or help other players. The more you play, the more you can earn. It's like getting paid to have fun. And what can they do with these coins? Buy cool character outfits, powerful weapons, or even special pets to help them on quests. But here's the really exciting part. Remember when I mentioned voting? The more you play and earn, the more say you have in the game's future. Let's look to the future. Games change, right? New trends emerge. Players want different things. So how do we make sure CryptoQuest stays relevant years down the line? This is where it gets really exciting. We're creating a special fund controlled by the players. Yes, you heard that right. Controlled by the players. How does that work? Players can suggest and vote on new ideas for the game. The fund pays for making these ideas real. It's like if you and your friends could vote on the next season of your favorite TV show. You're not just playing the game, you're shaping its future. So, what does all this mean for the future of gaming? We're moving from a world where games are products we consume to worlds we help create and truly own a part of. Tokenomics is changing the relationship between game developers and players. It's creating communities where everyone has a stake in the game's success. And the best part? This isn't just a gamer thing. These same principles are starting to pop up in music, art, even real estate. We're witnessing a shift from the Internet of Information to the Internet of Value. And gaming, with its vibrant communities and virtual economies, is leading the charge. From earning real value while playing to shaping a game's future, tokenomics is revolutionizing not just how we play, but how we interact with digital worlds. It's not just about playing anymore. It's about owning, governing, and evolving the games we love. Fascinated by how tokenomics is changing games? This is just the beginning. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What game would you love to see adopt tokenomics?